Hey everybody, today is Tuesday, May the 1st, 2018. It's about around 22 minutes till 8 in the morning. We are still here in Kerrville. That's about to end though. We are getting ready to leave. So this is going to be my vlog for this week. You'll be seeing this Friday, 3 days from now. Weather, very cloudy, nasty looking. But it's this way most days, to be honest with you. It starts out really cloudy almost every day, with rare exception. But anyhow, today's the day to get the whole RV ready to go. So just to show you some things, I've got my external propane there hooked up. I've got to undo, and then over here we've got our water, our sewer, and our electric. That's all got to be undone. So I'm going to be doing all of this stuff, and then I got to unplug the car back there as well, and then we're going to get ready to get out of here. We are heading to Canyon, Texas today. It's going to be, give or take for us in an RV about 8 hours. So got a fairly long day. I'm trying to get out here at 8 o'clock so that we can hit the road. So I'll be showing you some things along the road, and then once we get there, I'll report that. All right, so I'll see you there. All right, so this is the second clip for the day, and you still ain't pointing that at me. And we're getting ready. We're coming into a little town called Eden. And turn that and show out the front speed limit reduced ahead. Windshield. Speed warning. There's Eden, 2,766 people. This is called Hardin Creek. All right, so anyway, we're just driving along. We left at 8:09 this morning. I was 9 minutes late. I didn't get my 8 o'clock start like I wanted. My own fault. Too many things to do. But anyway, 8:09, we came through Kerrville, went down 10. We stopped in Junction and got fuel for this thing. And then been driving a little while since. Let's see, right now, it is 10:31 in the morning. So, I'm figuring we'll probably be where we'll be at around 4-ish this afternoon, hopefully. But right up here, we're going to turn. We've been on 83, and we're going to be getting off of it. Turn left on West Broadway Street, US 87. You can hear my my GPS there, and my co-pilot's holding the camera. You want to put yourself on camera? Well, turn it a little bit and show the town. West Broadway Street, US 87. So this is Eden, Texas. E-D-E-N, just like the Garden of Eden. So this is the beautiful downtown. They got a Jack and Jill Donuts there. And they got the Fig Leaf. Gas here is $2.69. San Angelo is to the left, and then Brady's off to the right, which will be heading to San Angelo and points beyond. Once we get on 87, in fact, 87 will take us all the way through most of our trip here, where we're heading. So, and again, where are we heading? We're heading to a little town called Canyon, Texas. Once we get there, I'll show you all of that. I'll show you some more on this trip, but this is all we're doing, driving, following trucks. All right. Continue on this road. Dairy Queen is hiring up to $10 an hour, it says. So if you're looking for a job, you can move to Eden, work at Dairy Queen, get $10 an hour, at least up to that. So not bad. Show some of this more out here. Got the Gringo's Pizza, best pizza in Concho County. I think anybody should know that. So that's the trip so far. So I'll show you a little bit more as we get on further down the road, but this is it. Kind of boring and just going on. So I'll see you on the next clip. All right, so and then turn right at 400 feet. Yeah, my GPS is going to be a bothersome. Anyway, we're in La Mesa, Texas. You can see it out the window there. It's pretty gorgeous, or you know, something. And let's see. The time, it is 1:31. According to my GPS, we are on target to be where we're going by about 4:10 or 4:15. So we still got 2 hours and 45 minutes, give or take, to go.
Continue on this road for 164 miles.
I believe she just shot the water tower, didn't you? So get that name, La Mesa. You might want to say it La Mesa or something, but in Texas, it's pronounced La Mesa. I can promise you. And I can prove to you up here that this is a real town, because up here on the left they've got a McDonald's. So, you know, having a McDonald's is very important. This trucker's going to turn into this Stripes. So I'm just going to try to get by him as best I can.
The Taco Villa.
A Taco Villa?
Yeah.
Where? I didn't even see it.
It's back there. It's a different kind of building.
Okay, if you have never heard of a Taco Villa, we used to have one decades and decades ago in Longview, Texas, when we lived there. We used to go there and love it all the time. There's several of them up in Amarillo. And we went to them some years ago and found that our taste had changed, that it just wasn't quite what we recalled. Okay, so the stop's for the left lane, which we're not taking, so let me just travel on through here. So anyway, again, as you can tell, all we're doing is traveling and just trying to make some time here. So as we get up to around Lubbock or so, I'll shoot again and show you some of that. Other than that, that'll be that. So I'll see you on the very next clip. All right, everybody, so we're getting close to being done. We're at 20 miles away. We're getting ready to come into Happy, Texas. Yeah, you heard that right. If you've never heard of it, there really is a Happy, Texas. Just look on 87 up here in the Panhandle, north of Tulia. We went through that a little bit ago. And Plainview before that. But I'm going to get her, hold that out the window, looking out the window there. So this sign up here, if you'll see it, just keep holding it on that sign. It says 87 Happy, 1/2 mile, exit 88B at the top. So we'll keep it going, just keep it pointed that way. And we will show you Happy, Texas from 87 as soon as we hit it. This is exit 88A right here. Now this next sign says 87 Happy, and that's the exit. So this is your exit, 88B, to Happy, Texas. So if you want to be happy in Texas, well, here you go. You can see how flat it is. Pan the thing around this way and back that way. Nice and slow. Okay, now point it just a little bit over there, because that's the town over there. So as we're coming up of this underpass here, let's get under this, and you look over to the left, and you can see all those silos over there. Just to the left of that is the water tower. So that's going to be the main part of your town that we're not going to see basically any of it, I don't believe. But that over there, past that McDonald's sign, that is Happy, Texas. What do you think about that? This is the way the Panhandle of Texas looks. Not too bad, right? All right, so yeah, on that newer
water tower over there. I can see part of it. It does say Happy on it. I saw the PPY part. And Happy State Bank even. You could have a future with it. But right down there, right to my left now, look this way, that's Happy, Texas right there. Pretty nice, huh? Here's a couple of houses and things over here. There's a cafe. Texas Happy Place Cafe, that was called. Randall County line, so we just changed counties. And then I'm going to have my co-writer here turn it and look this way as we come up, just slowly. Yeah, all the way over to that stuff. So over there you can see more silos. What looks like a bunch of hay. And a couple of buildings. And that's it. So anyway, we are 16 miles away from our destination. We will be there at 4:07 up in Canyon. It's 3:51 right now, so we've got 16 minutes to go. 16 miles and 16 minutes. So with that, I will go ahead and end this vlog, because once we get there, we got to get registered. We got to get this all set up and get us something to eat, because we've skipped lunch all day. So we're just driving, trying to get it over with. What we'll be doing when we get there, I'll tell you very quickly. We'll be in Palo Duro Canyon State Park a lot, hiking some trails and stuff. So look for that coming up later on down the road. And then after that, we'll see what happens. So I'll sign off. I'll say thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, like this video, leave a comment, thumbs up, all that good stuff. And we will see you on the next one. Enjoy your day.